It's giving some answer. Okay, it's now still 15, but there is a beta version, so it must know 16 also. So today we can check in 16. So this is the 16 Odoo version. You can see this is a symbol database. Nothing has installed. So just we can check uh, how to create a module. First, we need to check how to create a module in a simple way. Like right now, some peoples or some developers are just creating some folders and or copy pasting the existing modules to create a new module and changing the names and whatever they want. So we can just ask ChatGPT how to create a symbol module. Okay, it gave you some answer like open your terminal and navigate to your Odoo add-ons first. Then once you're in add-ons, directly run the following command to create a new module. Okay, let's try with this. It will work or not. So this is the keyword scaffold is using to create a module. After scaffold, we can give our module name. Just try this. So what is this means? This is the path which we want to create the module. So we can just take this scaffold. I'm opening my terminal. So Odoo bin scaffold. I'm putting my module name as library books. So we can just create a module like to manage the books in the library. Okay. So everyone will understand how to create the new module. So the functional peoples will understand how to create a module, and the technical peoples will understand how to reduce the time by with the help of ChatGPT. So here I have put the module name. Next we need to put the path which we need to add that module. Here I have created a custom module. So I'm giving this path. Okay. If I enter, let's see, it is created or not. Yes, the module is created. So if I open that module in my IDE, you can see the module here. So also there are some folders created automatically like controllers and demo for the models, security views. So what we are using currently, we are just copy pasting any Odoo existing modules and renaming. So instead of that, we can just use this command and create a module instantly. It will also give you some demo codes also to understand what this will do, how we need to like write the code, the syntax, etc. Okay, so now we have created the module. Next thing we can ask some codes, right? If we want to manage the library books, what all are the things we need? We can just ask to ChatGPT, create one module for managing the library books. If I enter, let's see what it will.